Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change folder icons. So as you can see over here, I have my work folder and you can see it has a different icon, right? It looks like a computer. So I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do that. So if I select on my mouse, you want to right click on it. Once after right clicking, you want to press on show more properties, and then you want to go to properties. Once you're inside properties, you just want to press on customize and then basically change the icon. So from here, I just want to put in another icon and let's just choose this one. Why not? And after that, I just want to press on OK and then press on apply. OK once again. And as you can see, the folder has completely changed its icon. It is something completely different from what it used to be. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.